You could be just 1% over the fault line and you can lose everything. Louisiana's new 51% rule changes the game for injury claims in Louisiana. My name is Lee Rudin. My law firm is Rudin Law. Our job is to protect injured victims in the state of Louisiana, and we fight insurance companies and corporate clients who have harmed them. Today, I'm here to talk to you about a change in Louisiana's law, which now means that if you are 1% more at fault than the other guy, you collect zero. Earlier this year, the Louisiana legislature passed a series of bills that they called tort reform. One of those bills changed the way injury claims are analyzed. Before, we had what was called a pure comparative fault state. What that means is, if you get hurt and you are 99% at fault, you could still collect 1% of your damages. Same thing, if you are 75% at fault, you could collect 25% of your damages, and so on and so on. However, effective August 1st of this year, 2025, the law changed. We are now what's called a modified comparative fault state. What does that mean? That means if you are found to be 51% at fault for an injury, an accident, an incident, you get zero. So the other person needs to be more at fault than you in order for you to collect anything. So be prepared that lawyers and insurance companies will have to look at your claim more closely, because there is a risk that if you are found to be just 1% more at fault than the other guy, that you could get zero. And insurance companies are going to tighten up if they don't see the facts as being in your favor. And certain attorneys are going to have to pause and say, I don't know if we can win this one for you. So be prepared to get some tough advice if your accident isn't as clean as you would like it to be. This change in the law means two things for sure. Insurance companies are going to be even tighter than they were before when it comes to claims of disputed liability. And lawyers like me might have to deliver some tough advice to potential clients and may not take certain cases they otherwise would want to take, because there's a high risk of nobody being able to collect if you are found just 1% more responsible than the other guy. If you have any questions about this video or anything having to do with an accident or injury claim, feel free to reach out to us at Rudin Law at 833-GET-RUD, which is 833-438-7833, or through our website, getrud.com. And tune into our next episode where we take you through the trials and tribulations of being an injured person in Louisiana.